Update 1996 F-150. I had a weird problem of constant spark with the key on and absolutely no injector pulse. I had either tested or swapped out pretty much everything and had narrowed it down to either the crankshaft position sensor, which is down here, or the distributor. There's the new crankshaft position sensor right up in there. I know, you can't even tell, right? But of course, that didn't work. And now it's installed, so I can't really take it back. It absolutely ended up being the factory distributor. There's the brand new parts store Chinese distributor, and this thing should start right up. And there we go. Distributor, PIP sensor, Hall effect switch, whatever you want to call it, that was the issue. Possibly the crank sensor too, who knows? I think they kind of work in tandem. And well, they're both new now. Look at, I can almost reach them both. Look, stretch it. There, that's both. My daily driver drives daily again. We'll see you next time.